Hi, my name is Jesse Chai. Today I will show you how to create custom ringtones for iPhones. First step you need to do is open iTunes and select a song that you want to turn into a ringtone. Choose a 30-second or less portion of the song to make a ringtone from. Double-click the song and make note of the start and stop time. Right-click the song and go to Get Info. Select the Options tab in the new window. Enter the start and stop time of the 30 seconds or less portion of the song. I choose mine to start at the 13th second. So the stop time would be 43 seconds for me, which makes it 30 seconds long. Click OK. Double click the song to play and make sure you selected the portion that you wanted. So this is the portion that I wanted. Then right click the song and select Create AAC version. A new copy of the song appears in the iTunes. As you can see, it is located right under the original song. Make sure it is 30 seconds or less. Right click the new song and select Show in Window Explorer. Click on the name of the file and change the extension from M4A to M4R. Enter. Are you sure you want to change it? Click yes. Click hold and drag the file to your desktop. In your iTunes, right click the new copy of the song and select Delete song. Don't worry, the song will remain on your desktop. Now go back to your desktop and double click the song to add it to the Tones section of the iTunes. Just shoot for the stars, if it feels right, and aim for my heart, if you feel. So it is already in the Tones section of the iTunes. Last but not least, connect and sync your iPhone. I already have my iPhone connected, so I go to sync, and there you have it, a new ringtone. Thank you for watching.